Hello, this is our universal IC tester. In this we have two parts, one is for analog and other is for digital. This is our numpad and this is our display. First we'll go with the analog IC. Right here what I'm holding here right now is 555 IC. In analog section you can see the IC is placed from down to top and in digital from top to down. So I'll first remove this digital IC from here. I'll place my 555 IC in this socket here at the down part. I'll lock it. For analog IC we are simply pressing the IC number. If there is anything on the menu, press clear. After hello, type the IC number 555, then press enter. If it shows it is optional, you will press algo. It will show you any 555, that is the IC number, and then press enter. It will test, pass, it means it is okay. Now we'll test another IC. What we have here is DAC 0808. We'll place the IC in the analog socket. Okay. Then if there's something on the menu, we'll press clear. We'll type 0808. Then we will press enter. If it's okay, it will show pass. If it is not, it will show fail. Now further going for the digital IC, what I have here is 7404. I'll show you some things that can be done on the digital IC. The first thing that can be done is directly we can select 7404 and press enter. It will show pass. Another way of doing it is the number of pins is 14, so we'll go to auto find. Number of pin is 14. We'll press auto find. It will show equivalent IC 4069 and 7046, same IC. We'll press enter. It will check pass. The other thing comes is the loop test. So we'll press 7046 and we'll press loop test. Oh sorry, the IC number is 7404. 7404. We'll press loop test. It is testing in a loop. How can we be sure of that? As soon as we remove the IC a little bit, it shows fail. Now comes the other part of pin test. The pin test shows the pins of the digital socket. Okay, so if I press pin test and I press 1, it is showing that pin of 1 to 8 is high. If I press again, 1 to 8 is low, and I press again, 1 to 8 is high, low alternatively. Similarly, press 2, 9 to 15 is high. Again I press 2, 9 to 15 is low. This is actually showing the status of these pins, digital pins, high or low. This is just to test the pins of the socket.